Hey guys, how's it going? Today, let's take a look at the all-new 2011 Saab 94X Premium. And this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the 94X. We'll start it up, show the engine, go over the performance data, and show you a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. And today, I'm at Saab of Charlotte, North Carolina. And so, without further ado, let's go ahead and start it up, let it run. As you can see, the vehicle does come equipped with remote start. This vehicle also does come equipped with a smart key access system. By keeping the key fob in your pocket and using this little ridged pattern on the door here, you're able to lock and unlock the vehicle. To lock it, just touch it. And then, after waiting a second, just tug on the handle and it'll automatically unlock. It's the diamond silver metallic exterior with two-tone black and gray leather interior. The new 94X is based on the Cadillac SRX platform. Sloping dash. Does have push-button ignition in the traditional Saab placement of the center console. Just put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start. It's got a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side bolster and grip extensions, also a 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability, as well as a rear backup camera built into the rear view mirror. Just putting it back into park, and it automatically disappears as if it wasn't even there. So, let's go ahead and turn on the headlights. It does have automatic lights, as well as the hazards. All 4 windows are fully automatic. And let's check out the exterior, shall we? The interior of the vehicle will beep, letting you know that it's lost detection of the proximity key fob. High-intensity discharge headlamps with lower LED accent, as well as blue tinting, retractable headlight washers, LED turn signal accents, also in the same blue material as the headlights. It also comes with 18-inch alloy wheels on Michelin tires. Full panoramic roof, styled hood, integrated spoiler with third brake light, LED accented tail lamps, a light bar running across the length of the vehicle, dual exhaust outlets, polished. Let's go and pop the hood. This model of the 94X comes with a 3-liter dual overhead cam V6, 24 valve with variable valve timing as well as direct injection. Produces a total horsepower output of 265 at 6950 RPM and 223 foot-pounds of torque at 5100 RPM. It is front-wheel drive with 4-wheel independent suspension, 21.1 gallon fuel tank with an EPA estimated miles per gallon rating on premium unleaded gas of 18 city, 25 highway. 0 to 60 times with this V6 is about 8.2 seconds, which might be a little on the slow side. Therefore, the Aero version, which is one step up above this one, comes with a turbocharged 2.8 liter V6. It produces 300 horsepower and 295 foot-pounds of torque. So, if you're desiring a little bit more performance and acceleration out of your 94X, then that's probably the way to go. You also have bright work along top of each handle. It's kind of hard to see with the silver contrast in the paint. Just figured I'd point it out. Nicely luxurious interior with stitched accents across the doors, rich wood trim, your power windows, power mirrors, as well as power folding mirrors. Rear power tailgate control, storage, and your power locks are located up on the dash. Aluminum door sill plates. Fully power adjusting leather driver's seat. Also perforated with power lumbar and 2-person memory. Get a little close up on some of the perforations. And it also has side airbags. Manual leg extension. Beautiful sloping dash. Driver facing. Almost like a cockpit of sorts. Your wood trim also wraps around the entire center console and gauges. And you also have a stitched leather pattern right above the speedometer cluster. You also have a manually adjusting, tilting, telescoping steering wheel. So let's go ahead and see how she sounds. Do have a rev limiter just over 3,000 RPM. So let's go ahead and shut her up. The 94X comes with a dual zone automatic climate control that also shows up in this screen up above. Fan speed, one touch automatic, front defrost, rear defrost, as well as your different zones. You do have 3-stage heated and ventilated seats for both the driver and passenger, which come in handy with the perforations. You also have a full Bose sound system. As you can see, you have full equalizer settings, all controlled by this wheel and enter button in the middle. Individual controls for your sunroof as well as the sunshade here. Hit the sunroof control, it automatically folds both of them back. Pulls up a little windscreen. And you can pull the sunshade all the way back for the rear passengers. Night panel is a unique Saab feature which cuts out all of the interior lighting as well as the other gauges except for the main speedometer. As you can see here, just so when you're driving late at night, it's less distractions, you can focus on the task at hand. Tune, different media options, CD, auxiliary input. You also have hands-free Bluetooth telephone and hands-free Bluetooth streaming of audio from your enabled device. Radio information, tone for your equalizer settings, configuration, setup for the system itself, back, and your in-dash CD player. Your power locks, child locks to the rear doors, and your signature Saab vents with the layered pattern inside. Leather shift boot. Now let's go check out the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Starting at the back seat. Same two-tone seating back here, also perforated. Now I set up these seats on purpose like this so you can see that you actually can recline the back seats, ever so slightly. This is up in the standard position, while that one's reclined back a little bit. They also fold. It's all controlled by this mechanism here. So I reclined it a bit, and then you can just pull it straight forward. It also locks in place so you don't have to worry about it bouncing up. Opens up the cargo space quite nicely. 60-40 split. Rear power outlet, storage, it's an absolutely beautiful dash. Side airbags for the rear passengers. Center armrest with cup holders and storage, as well as a little pass-through. Your headrests, as well as seat belts, are also adjusting. Coat hooks. You have a full power tailgate. Plenty of rear cargo space. Polished aluminum accents. The vehicle's mats. And you also have a track system. It's all in here that you can set up for holding in items and such. Rear storage and an air compressor. And you also have rear power outlets, cargo covers. You can also bring it up there if needed. There's also a nice amount of rear illumination and cargo tie downs. Same power adjustments for the passenger seat. The only thing missing is the leg extension. Two-tier glove box, nice and roomy. Very nice redesign. Plenty of practicality as well as style. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour on the all-new 2011 Saab 94X. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more where that came from. Take care everybody.